And when we talk about unity, the geese tell a great story, just like my son Caleb did. I wish I could demonstrate it here in this beautiful blue sky, but I love looking at the great northern geese flying over as they make their way south in the wintertime. They fly in a V formation because when they flap their wings, there is an uplift given to be able to get some lift off of the formation itself. And they estimate that they increase their efficiency by 70% over a single geese flying alone. That's an amazing truth. And I've got a little friend coming along here and just wanting us to know that we're in his territory now. When I think of geese and their flying formation, I think of the lead goose. He's being battered more than all of them by the wind. And in time, he's going to be tired and he's going to fall back into the formation, and another one of the geese will step forward and take the lead position. That's teamwork. That's what unity is really all about. They just do this instinctively. It's built into them. If one goose gets out of the formation and tries to go it alone, very quickly, because of the drag that is now on him, he immediately returns to the formation, because that's where efficiency is built. Another really wonderful thing about the geese, and it reminds me of how we should care for each other. If there is a goose injured and it has to leave the formation, 2 other geese accompany it out of the formation to watch over it as it is either dying or recovering from its injuries. And that tells me something about the church. We're to care for each other. We can drop out of formation and step aside and take care of a brother or a sister. That's teamwork. So whenever I see geese, I'm always thinking, God, that's teamwork in the ministry, illustrated in the heavens. When I think of my son Caleb, I realize how much of a team player he has been to his fellow soldiers and fellow workers. Next time you look up, remember, we can't go it alone.